we're back up here at the hole again. Hopefully you can see the little Mini X behind me. Rented that from Advantage Rental Trading Post in West Haven. Little backstory on this company. It's now called Advantage Rental and Trading Post. It was called Ranco, R-A-N-C-O, Rental. And I worked for them 20 years ago when I was in high school. They changed names, did some more guns and stuff like that, and that's who I ended up renting this little mini excavator from. So right now, if you can see down there, we are at 10 feet. Took me an hour to dig it the rest of the way with this Mini X. One guy wanted to charge us about $300. Boy, the lighting sucks. Wanted to charge about $300 or so to finish digging this hole. He wanted a $75 delivery charge, and he lives about 3 miles northwest of here. So I went down, picked this Mini X up. It's going to cost me $163. I have it overnight. That allows me to put 3 hours on the machine, and our hole's done. Took me, let's see, the meter had 37.3 and I'm at 37.8 on it now. So can't complain too awfully bad. Saved myself $150. Got the hole done and got to play Bob the Builder on a mini excavator. So can't complain. It's a lot of fun. Not sure where Paula is, anything else. So hopefully her dad comes up here pretty quick and we can see if he needs anything moved in his yard while we've still got it. So that's it.